How to speak English language very fluently and accurately. Today in this video we'll learn about this topic, and also I will tell 5 habits. And whatever I will tell you and I will suggest you in this video about speaking in English, and if you will follow it, then 100% I am sure that you will learn English very fast, very fluent and very accurately. First of all, you have to remove one negative thought that each and every person has in their daily life, and that is that he or she can't speak in English. If you will not remove these negative thoughts from your mind, then I am damn sure that you will not able to learn English in your life. So, English is a very easy language to speak, to write and to understand. If you want to learn speaking English language, then you have to try step by step, and then you have to move forward. See, all of them in today's fastest world thinks that everything to learn in a very fast way. Today I will tell you that how you can speak English language in a very few days. Total 5 things you have to follow, or 5 habits you have to follow in your daily routine, then you will be able to speak English language very expertly and very perfectly. First one, remove fear. You have to remove that type of thinking from your mind that you cannot speak English. All the fears you have in your mind about speaking in English, you have to remove all that fears. Also, you don't have to feel shy speaking in English in front of someone else, because if you learn something is the best way to move forward in your life ahead rather than getting afraid of it. So remove your fear first. Second, speak in front of mirror. Whatever you know or don't know, doesn't matter. Whatever you know or don't know, just try to speak in English daily 15 to 30 minutes in front of the mirror. In beginning, it doesn't matter that what you are speaking, but what matters is that if you are trying to speak, that matters the most. By applying this habit in your daily life, you will learn English very fastly and very fluently. Plus, also you will not have any fear in speaking large number of audience on stage. Third, don't react on people's reaction. Whenever you will start learning speaking in English language, then people will react on you. People will laugh on you. But you have to think positive and move forward. You have to do practice. Doesn't getting afraid of what people are thinking about you. Only you have to do is that you have to focus on your learning. Just feel free to speak English in every situation, everywhere, anywhere without feeling shy. Fourth, think in English. Main and very important point that you have to think in English. Whenever you will speak in your mother languages, in a specific mother languages that you are speaking, you will think in that language. Then only you will speak. So what you have to do is you have to think in English language and try to speak in English. So what will happen that you will speak English very fluently and very accurately. In starting you will face lots of problems, but don't worry, just try it, do it and feel free to speak English everywhere. You will learn it very fastly and very accurately in a fluent way. Fifth, watch English movies and read books and newspaper. By reading English books and newspaper, you will able to learn new words. You will able to find that how the complication of the words is being arrived in a daily life. If you don't know the meaning of that word, then note down and then Google it. So you will learn that how the words are getting connected in the daily life, and you will learn English language very fastly. While by watching the English movies, you will learn the pronunciation of the English words. If you are facing a problem in hearing and understanding that words in movie, then please on the subtitles. So you will have a very clear way that this person is speaking this word. But whenever you will have some grip in learning English, understanding English and speaking English, then off the subtitles. Because by knowing itself that what that person is speaking, is the faster way to learn English language. So by applying these 5 habits and 5 rules, you will able to speak English very fluently, accurately in few days. But if you want to learn the English language, learning, understanding and speaking in few days, then you have to do daily practice of these all 5 habits. And whatever I have explained you, if you will follow these things, then it's 100% sure that you will speak English very powerfully after following these things, that whatever I have told you in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Comment if you are starting learning English language very soon, and if you know or if you have started, then comment yes. And also like this video, share this video, and do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so my all videos will reach on your mobile phone in your notification. Have a good day, have a great life. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.